BM English Speaking Radio channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 97 of season 3. Today's word is accomplish. Would you like to know what it means? It means to achieve a goal or complete a task successfully, execute or fulfill. With BM English Speaking Radio channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word accomplish. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Accomplish is spelled as A-C-C-O-M-P-L-I-S-H. The word accomplish is used when a goal is achieved or a task is completed successfully. For example, we can say that the athlete trained very hard and accomplished the target of breaking the national record for a marathon race. Listen carefully how we can use the word accomplish in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. The administration focused on providing electricity to each home in the district. The project team worked tirelessly and accomplished the goal well before the deadline. Moving on to example number 2 of 8. The Indian Research Organization planned to send a spacecraft to Mars. The necessary budget was allocated and a huge team of scientists worked to accomplish this mission. The launch was flawless and achieved its objective. Moving on to example number 3 of 8. The accomplishments of the American swimmer Michael Phelps are fabulous. He won total 28 Olympic medals over a period of 12 years. He is an inspiration for many aspiring, means ambitious swimmers. Let us understand example number 4 of 8. Victor is a wildlife photographer. He had a desire to visit the Amazon forests for shooting his new album. He applied to a media house for a sponsorship and with their support, he accomplished his desire. Do you know that you can speak in English just like your mother tongue? Get in touch with our trainers for free evaluation of your English and train you to build on your English fluency. To know more about our English fluency courses, log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Karthik wished to have his own successful online channel. With a camera and an assistant, he traveled to several unknown places in India and abroad. He broadcasted his recordings on his internet channel and accomplished his target. Do share some of your accomplishments with us. Moving on to the next example. Example number 6 of 8. The CEO of the consumer finance company set a target of doubling the sales turnover within a year. The sales teams set up kiosks, means product stalls, at malls and shopping centers to attract the customers. This strategy worked and they accomplished their goal. Example number 7 of 8. The accomplishment of Madhav was reported in the local media prominently. His project on water conservation technique won the first prize in inter-college competition, and this was the talk of the town. Let us understand the next example. Example number 8 of 8. The cycle manufacturing company took a decision to introduce an electric cycle in the market. Therefore, it tied up with a Korean company for technical knowledge. This collaboration helped the company to accomplish the product launch. Today we learnt the word accomplish, which means to achieve a goal or complete a task successfully, execute or fulfill. Can you frame 3 sentences with accomplish and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to upgrade your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 97 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be releasing one vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.